Now that our cornbread's all done, we can move on to the veggies. For the veggies that we'll be adding to the cornbread stuffing, we have 2 onions and 4 stalks of celery. And we're going to chop them all up before sauteing them. We also have 1 cup of dried apples, and we're going to be chopping that up too. And for the celeries, first you want to clean them and strip away any leaves that there are. If there are any bad spots, you just want to cut these right out. Now for celery, you want it to be in rather small pieces because remember, it can be stringy and you don't want people taking a bite and having pieces of celery hanging out of their mouths because it's too big for one bite, but the string doesn't allow them to bite through it entirely. Just little bite-sized pieces. And then just put them all in a bowl while you're getting everything else ready. For the onions, you also want to have it in smaller pieces. You just want to dice up the onions. So start by cutting it in half. Make sure if there are any bad spots, that you've already cut them off. And also you want to make sure that you peel the onion completely. And once you cut it in half, then you can easily slice through into little half circles, which you're then going to cut up once again. You're going to cut these up into an even smaller dice so that you don't have any pieces that are too big to bite into once you're eating your stuffing. Now the last ingredient that you're going to cut up are the dried apples. And you want about a cup of dried apples. You have to be careful that these don't stick to the knife because they're rather sticky. You just want to rock the knife back and forth as you're cutting them up into smaller pieces.